I want to talk about 3 of these new LCS ships that were built in Wisconsin at the Hostel Company and Martinet something. I don't understand it anymore. But I think it was designed by Lockheed. I gotta rotate this a little bit. I'm getting reflect. Alright. So they got 3 of them. And these are the Freedom class ships. I don't know. The LCS are 1 hull. The USS Sioux City is a tri-hull. Anyway. Whatever. Anyway, they built these up there in Wisconsin. And 3 of them have gotten fucked up trying to get through the Lake of Michigan. And then Huron and Erie. And then get to the St. Lawrence Seaway. 3 of them have had fuck-ups in their shit. But the ones that are most clinically to me is the USS Little Rock. You know, Little Rock, Arkansas. So it's the USS Little Rock. Goes through Michigan, the Erie, the Huron, or whatever the order is. And it got up by Montreal. And it got froze in. So it makes me kind of scratch my head. Who has the icebreakers? You know, the U.S. Navy doesn't have any on it. The Coast Guards, or excuse me, yeah, the Coast Guards only have 2 or 3. So in December, you send the fucking ship out in December, right before Christmas. It gets as far as to Montreal, Canada, and it gets iced in. Who the fuck thinks shit like that? Why would you send that ship out in December? He was going to Jacksonville, Florida, or wherever the fuck it was. It also went to someplace in New York, and they let it go out into the shit, and it ended up as far as Montreal in December and doesn't ever leave again until March. Who the fuck is thinking this shit? Oh my God. It is pathetic. Then you've got the... Oh shit, what's the name of the other one? Oh, the USS Billings. USS Billings, Montana. It tries to pull in someplace and runs into a ship side to side against a moored goddamn cargo ship. How do you do that? How do you do stupid shit like that? So I go back in time and then I go to USS John S. McCain, USS Fitzgerald. I'll even go all the way back to my time when it happened on me. USS Johnny Moore with the USS Roulette. How does that shit happen? When I was there, we reported all that shit. The captain decided to do other stupid shit. So every one of these captains on all of these that I've named them off to you, they've all been canned, basically. So I'm going to put these pictures up of, fuck, the goddamn Billings, and fuck, I can't even keep track of these names anymore because I just started following collisions. It blows my mind. Back in 1987, when I came up for orders, I wanted to go to one of the new mine counter measure ships built up in goddamn Wisconsin, Marinette somewhere. Here's how stupid it is. They joined with the EU to help figure out how to build this. So they did this shit. The US was building gas turbine ships, and then there was Steergear, I don't know, whatever controls the coming out of the engine, going to the propeller shaft. And it had to they had to back all that bullshit up because the engine and the counter steer wouldn't go clockwise. Really? Yeah, so I ended up having to take the orders to Panama Canal, where I ended up on the ground during Operation Just Cause. Who the fuck thinks stupid shit up like this? 1987. Who was the president there? Doesn't really matter. That's all bullshit that came from, evolved out of Jimmy Carter, you know, the Peanut Prince, the Peanut President, that came out with that shit in the first place. What a fuckbag. And, you know, the Democrats just fucking totally did stupid shit. And nobody thought that shit out. So who owns the house now with these Navy ships out of the house? Democrats. So now you got 5 ships, 5 of them, that have already gone into dumbass shit, that eventually, to be the captain, the House says, well, yeah, we'll pass that, we'll pass that to be him to be captain of the ship. And who's in charge of the fucking Navy makes the charge of all this stupid shit. I guess I'm still brain dead because I still can't figure out how this stupid shit continues over and over and over. Fitzgerald, John S. McCain, fucking Billings, and now Little Rock. Who the fuck is next? And then you got Trump saying we're gonna thumb down on the Harry S. Truman. We're not gonna re-nuke that motherfucker. That $35 million or billion, whatever. That's gonna go on to build more of these LCS ships and the brand new super carrier. Thank fucking God I'm never gonna have to deal with this shit. It's getting to the point that I hate to see what I see is going on with the stupidity happening again. I don't know, use your own mind on it, but I'm just old school shit. That's why I had to get the fuck out. Empty it on the porch. We'll talk to you later.